Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to solve a question from June 2017 consisting of 3 marks. The question is the infimum of this integral 0 to 1 u dash t whole square dt on the class of functions u belongs to C1 0 to 1 such that u of 0 is 0 and maximum of modulus of u on the interval 0 to 1 is equal to 1 is equal to which of these? So we need to suggest which among these is the infimum of the given functional with the given conditions u at 0 is equal to 0 and the maximum value and the argument for which the modulus of u is maximum is equal to 1, right? So let us get started. First of all, we'll find the extremal using the Euler-Lagrange equation, that is f of u minus d dt of f of u dash is equal to 0, right? What is f in our case? It is u dash square. So what is f of u? It would be 0 because there is no term containing u. What would be f of u dash? This is equal to 2u dash. So let's put these values over here. We have 0 minus d dt of 2u dash is equal to 0. So I can write this as 2u dash is equal to some constant a, or u dash or integrating both sides I'll get u is equal to at plus b, right? Let's call this as a naught. So this is our extremal. Let me put first boundary condition, that is u at 0 is equal to 0. In this case what I get is b is equal to 0. So u becomes a is equal to 80. Now let me use the second boundary condition, second condition, that is given to be maximum of modulus of u over the interval 0 to 1, which it is given to be 1. So as we have u is equal to 80, let me substitute it here. So I have maximum over the interval 0 to 1, closed interval 0 to 1, modulus of at is equal to 1. Now this being modulus, I can write this as maximum over the interval 0 to 1, modulus of a multiplied by modulus of t. Now a is a constant, so its modulus is also constant, right? So this becomes modulus of a into, or I can write this as maximum of 0 to 1, modulus of t is equal to 1, which is the same thing, right? So here I have to substitute the value of t from this interval such that this whole thing becomes maximum, right? So how can we do that? So what is that value of t? The value of t is 1. So this gives me modulus of a is equal to 1 or a is equal to plus minus 1. So ultimately I have u is equal to plus minus t, right? This is my extremal. Now they are saying you have to find the infimum of the functional. So that means I have to find the value of this functional at for the curve u is equal to plus minus t, right? So let us do that. So if u is equal to plus minus t, then u dash would be plus minus 1, right? So let's put these values in the functional. Integral from 0 to 1 u dash t whole square dt. Now u dash is equal to plus minus 1, so u square would be, u dash square would be 1, right? So it would be integral from 0 to 1 into dt. So this would give me t limits from 0 to 1, which is equal to 1. So the value is 1, right? So 1 is the infimum of the given functional with these two given conditions. So this was a pretty simple question. In this question you just have to find out the extremal, then you have to apply the left boundary and this condition. After obtaining the extremal, you just have to substitute this value of extremal into the functional to find the infimum value. So the answer is 1. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.